Reason number one is the three different witnesses we see in the canonical scriptures about Enoch, seventh from Adam. Now, as we read in 2 Corinthians 13:1, this is the third time I am coming to you. In the mouth of 2 or 3 witnesses shall every word be established. And there's not 1, not 2, but 3 different scriptures in our Bibles talking about the prophet Enoch. Up we have Genesis 5:24. And Enoch walked with God. And in Christianity, we believe that Yeshua or Jesus Christ is God. So we could see this as saying Enoch walked with Yeshua. And then it says, and he was not, for God took him. So apparently Enoch did something very important to be taken by God and not face an earthly demise. And this next verse will tell us exactly what Enoch did. Now let's read Hebrews 11:5. By faith, Enoch was translated. Translated means taken by God, which is what we saw in Genesis. Just like we see in Genesis, God had translated him, but before his translation, he had this testimony that he pleased God. So now we know why Enoch was taken by God, because of his testimony. And in this next verse, we'll figure out exactly what his testimony was. In Jude 14, the brother of Jesus Christ says, and Enoch also, the seventh from Adam, prophesied of these, saying, behold, the Lord cometh with 10,000 of his saints. Which is a direct quote from the book of 1 Enoch, chapter 1, verse 9. And some people online will say the book of Enoch wasn't actually written by Enoch, or it was some other different Enoch. But we can clearly see in Jude 1:14 that the book is attributed to Enoch, seventh from Adam, making it an antediluvian text, going all the way back to before the flood of Noah. We know from the scriptures it is undeniable that Enoch was a righteous man. Also that he had a testimony that had pleased God. And we know the texts of 1 Enoch are attributed directly to Enoch, seventh from Adam. These 3 biblical witnesses show that the book of Enoch is important to understanding the scriptures, and it was taken very seriously by the early biblical writers.